To this brand new video coming in back from tageero YouTube channel. Today's video is about full free training on how to make $100 or more with Clickbank. Guys, if you guys don't know what is Clickbank is a digital marketing affiliate marketing service where people promote products in exchange for commission. There's many products that are very selling a lot, and there's also um, uh, uh, an affiliate system that is people are driving traffic to. For example, if you are looking to start with Clickbank, there's two ways. If you want to make commissions, you can either do a free um, drive free traffic, and also you can drive paid traffic, which is the fast one. If you want to drive free traffic, which is going to take you a long time, that is by either doing a blog, either by doing YouTube videos talking about the product, or either by promoting the soft doing with Quora and Facebook. There's many free ways that you can promote products. um, In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you the paid one. If you guys are interested to learn more about the paid one, and I'm gonna be making a free full training on Facebook ads, and also I'm gonna be making Google ads and Pinterest ads. So make sure to subscribe down below, and also leave a comment suggesting what do you think about the video, and also any suggestion that you have. So before we start the how to do this, first thing what you have to do is, you guys don't have Clickbank, then sign up. Very easy. I'm personally signed in now, so very simple. There's many countries that it's not available, like Nigeria and Bangladesh also. So stay in, and I'm gonna show you at the end of the video another secret way that you can double your money. Okay, let's start the work. So first thing, there's two types of people: people who promote e-business, e-marketing, which is make money online niche, and there's people who promote fitness. So first thing what you have to do is, this hack is very nice if you are not familiar how to work on with Clickbank. If you want to know the highest and the most paid product, you just click here, leave it empty, and click search. Then a search will pop up. You'll see that research is the top offer that is being promoted. But for us, usually most of the top offers that are being selling is the in the fitness niche, which I also guarantee that you can make money from this. But you need to know what are you doing. You need to know things about the offer that you're doing. So for the best thing that you can do if you're doing with the like for example keto diet, is first thing is you need to search for the product. You need to search for the products on Google. You need to search for the products on YouTube or somewhere, or even on Amazon. Try to check the reviews, check the product, and understand it, so that you know what you're talking about and you know what you're promoting. And you can also give value, like when you're doing the sales funnels for the page with ClickFunnels, you can even come up with many ad copy, many sales funnel that could convert if you know what you're talking about. So usually most of the reason why they don't make money from this from the affiliate marketing is they just looking to make money easy. So they want to make quick money. So this is not get rich quick scheme. If you want to make money from this, you need to do the work. You need to spend hours and hours on this in order to make it full-time income for you. If you don't have money, if you don't want to spend money on this, then I suggest you guys to get a job first. Then once you get money from this, then you can spend money on your business. So this is a business, so you need to treat it as a business. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to go to e-business and e-marketing. Once we come to the e-business, you'll see many products. For example, CP University, it has been on the top number one for many years. The reason why is because actually this is a really good product, and the other thing is because it's by the people who made Clickbank. CB stands for Clickbank University. This will teach you how to make money from and be the top affiliates. And they have over 70,000 students, so they made more than 100 million or a couple of many millions from it. I just don't know how much money they made from this. So it's really selling good, and there's money. Yeah, so I think it's oversaturated because everyone promotes this. I haven't personally promoted it, but it's very good product. The other way that you can know that if the product is selling is if you, by checking the gravity. Right now there's 65 people promoting this, which it's good, but over 30, that means you can promote it. But I personally don't go with things that I go with the highest gravity, because that's indicates that the product is selling well. For example, the 12-minute system, which I also did on the previous video. I'll leave link on the eye. You can click on the eye so you can watch that video, where it's the 12-minute affiliate system. There is 247 people are promoting this product. That means it's selling good. And I personally know the guy. He's very good at affiliate. He's been in the business for many years, so he's very good at affiliate marketing, and he's a very good teacher. Yeah, I will also leave, if you are 000 and don't know anything about the 12-minute system and don't know anything about how to actually do affiliate marketing in general. I suggest you to start with 12 minutes. It's very cheap. It's a subscription base. I think it costs you $9 to start, but there's upsells. So if you are interested to get to take advantage of the entire funnel training, it could go to the average at 75. So if you are interested to learn affiliate marketing and tricks and ways that you can make money from affiliate marketing, I suggest you to go to the 12-minute system, which I'm gonna leave link down in the description if you guys interested. Yes. So yeah. So for this training, we be teaching you guys how to promote Commission Hero. Just because yesterday video was about this, so it's we don't want to keep making videos about the same offer over and over again. All right, so Commission Hero, it's also a really nice training. In this training, you learn how to promote products with Facebook, and he's teaching you how to promote. Usually he's teaching you about the fitness niche. Very good product also. So it's selling very high as well. There's 59 gravity. That means 59 people are each one of them, at least they getting sales from this. So what you have to do is first you have to click on the affiliate page so that you know what's the product and how do you enter for the for to promote this product. um you need to watch the video and read everything. For this video I won't read anything because I'm already an affiliate with it. So yes, before I forgot, I'm going to show you that they also have a funnel where you can use it, so that it will you can start doing the work like right from the get go. Um, Let me find the information here. All right. So yes, so you go. Um, yeah, log in and then I'll be back with you guys. All right. So once you are at the where you can promote the products here, you will see that first thing, if you're promoting a course or something like that, you always need to send things to the webinar. Webinar are by far the highest converting things that if you are promoting a course. And also there's videos for Facebook ads and things on YouTube ads like that. Also ad copies. So basically you're getting everything: age and gender, like 25 to 64, women 30 to 50. So man converts 80% higher than women. That means uh, women are only at the 20%. The countries are the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom. Targeted and interest: Clickbank, Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone, Russell Brunson. So all these people, the in the make money, uh, you can target them. The other thing is by using, they have funnels for you that you can just drag and drop, which it's very nice. So All right. So what the second thing that you guys need to know is, you guys need to have a ClickFunnels account. Um, you can get ClickFunnels account for 14 days free trial, which I'll leave a link down in the description, so you can sign up to ClickFunnels and start using it. It's very easy. You won't be paying anything until the 14 days free trial ends up. So very nice. And yeah, so this is the funnel that we have for this video, which it's very simple. You can it shows the proofs of the funds and everything like that, and picture of who's Robbie. All right, very simple. Then you'll be adding your autoresponder, which is the second thing that I'm gonna need to explain to you guys today. Because guys, money is in the list. Always you need to have an autoresponder. I personally use a whipper, which I'm also gonna leave 30 days free trial in the description, so you guys need to check that out. So um, always whenever you are spending money to promote something, you need to collect leads, which called lead magnet, which you either give them something for free, you tell them like, oh, claim free gift, free video, and then they add the video. They add their details in the description. Once they add their details in the description, then um, then what's gonna happen? Then they're gonna be end up in your email lists. Then that's how you can send them emails every single day. So AOPer, you find the link in the description, guys, if you need to have it, and then you have to connect it, AOPer in the funnel, then you are good to go. The second thing that you need to do, guys, is click magic. ClickMagic is by far one of the best tracking tools I have ever used in my life. It's one solution for all your marketing and affiliate market. It's very good for affiliate marketing. So also there's free, everything here is free trial. So you can also get free trial for ClickMagic also down in the description. And yes, so very easy. So now I'm gonna explain to you guys how do you add a link to your offer. All right, once you added everything, you integrated your AWeber, then you need to go to the um, on submit. This means like whenever user add their name and their email address and they click here to claim, then it will redirect it to the funnel or to the offer, so that you can get commission from it here. So you paste it here, you save, then you exit. Then what you have to do is go to your click magic, and also if you have the free trial, then add the link there so that you can track it. Now it's the time to try drive traffic. All right, so there's a couple of ways to drive traffic. There's Facebook ads and Google ads. But if you're experienced with that, then it's very good. But if you are zero and you never done any marketing, which also would be pain in the ass if you don't know anything about marketing, because spending money on Facebook, it's only if you know what you're doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, then I don't suggest doing Facebook ads and Google ads. And so you need to learn it by a course or something like that, or watch YouTube for free. There's many free content on YouTube. You don't need to buy a course for this reason. So my favorite tool that I use is Udemy. Udemy is basically an email marketing or a tool that people have a big list. People who have a big list, um, they end up here, and then it's called sellers. Uh, so you'll find many sellers, and then for example, the person selling each client he sends you, or people who come to your landing page, is 40 cents, and they are getting 20, at least 20% people are getting sales from. That means indicates that at least 20% people are getting sales from this guy's email list. So I also suggest you guys, if you are starting out never go with less. So if you go in with 100, then you just spending money and nothing will convert. So I always start with 300. That's the minimum things that it's, if you want to make sales or something, that's the minimum thing that you could do, which is go with 300. As you can see, I have my click magic here. So you click add to cart. Once you add to cart, then you buy from him, and you can schedule the time you want your email to be sent out. Usually they have their own email. They can make an email for you so that they can send the thing to them. The other thing that I would suggest is, don't take my words for it. Go and message the person you're interested to buy a leads from. For example, this person, you email them, message them, and talk to them, and ask them like how big is their list. Is it 100% make money, and is it crypto, like for example if you promote a crypto thing, is it crypto friendly and things like that. So always ask them if you want to do, and then you can schedule. Also you can base by filters. For example, if you want to make only mobile, like I want to get from mobile users only, or top tier from like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore, things like that. So yeah, that's how you can filter. And by guys, Udemy is by far the best. Also, one more thing I'm gonna add to you guys: if you use my link, which is gonna be down in the description, and sign up, you'll get free $5 of your next purchase. Or now, like if you buy with my link, then you automatically get free $5. For example, if you are spending 120, that means you'll be getting $115 for the offer that you're going to spend. And also I'll be directly sending you a message if you want to learn more about click magic or in general affiliate marketing. I'll be also uh, sending you a message here, automatic message, and you can also, I can reply to you. Yeah, so that's how you do. If you, the other thing that I'm gonna add a note to, like if you guys want like if you have some money and you want to spend some money in order to get for example your funnel be done, or maybe your website be done, or things from that nature, then you could go to Fiverr. Fiverr is like, you guys, everyone knows Fiverr is like a free freelancing service that you can buy things. I usually buy here for logos, things like that. You need to have a business to run this, so you need to have a logo, you need to have things like that. So guys, yeah, that's the free full training of affiliate marketing. If you guys have any questions, please make it down in the description. Don't forget to sign up to ClickFunnels, 14 days free trial down in the description. Also Udemy, you'll get free $5 out of your order. And also, don't forget to check Aweber. It's the most important thing. You need to have an email marketing. You need to have a list to build. Never do direct linking. That doesn't work. If you make money, then that means you're lucky. And even if you make money, then you cannot make more money from the same user that buys from you. So always, you need to have Aweber. It will be also in the description free. Everything is free. 30 days free trial. Try it out. If you make money, you make money, you keep the service. If you don't, then don't pay for the service and wait until you have money. Yes guys, that's been it. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget again to like the video, share it with your friends if you find it valuable. And yeah, so also don't forget to subscribe for more videos.